Types of forces. Contact forces. If two objects are touching each other. Example, a person pushing a box. Normal force. A force that acts in between two different surfaces, and the normal force is perpendicular to the surface. Example, a box resting on the ground. The normal force is what stops the box from falling through the ground. Friction force. The friction force between an object and a surface acting parallel to each other. Static friction. A friction force that acts upon an object and a surface before the object starts to move. Example, pushing a box before it begins to move. Kinetic friction. Friction force that acts upon an object and a surface while the object is moving. Example, pushing a box as it moves. Both of the friction forces rely on the surface and a normal force. Friction force. Tension force. Rope is used to pull an object. Example, a person is pulling a box on the ground by a rope. There is a tension force between the rope and the person and between the rope and the box. Compression force. A solid rod is used to push an object. Example, a car pulling a U-Haul. There is a compression force between the rod and the car and between the rod and the U-Haul. Non-contact forces. Weight. A force due to gravity. A force that keeps objects on the ground. Magnetic force. Magnets on a refrigerator. Electric. Opposite charges attract, same charges repel.